Eurum. 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 Yes, can you hear me? Eurum. Yes. Yes. Eurum, can you talk? Yes. Yes. Counsel for the defendant. Yes, counsel for the defendant. It's like you should call somebody to assist you, to operate the computer. Yes, Mr. Okpale. Mr.
Yes,
Okpale. I can't hear Eurum.
Yes, madam, I'm around.
No, I say I can't hear her.
I can't even hear her too. Yeah, I'm just seeing her.
Maybe she's finding it difficult to operate the device she's using.
I think so. And she doesn't seem to be she's like with us, or she's been agitated at all. She's calm. Miss Eurum, can you hear us? Talk now. Miss Eurum.
Just go ahead and deliver. Eh? No, Mr. Opali, why don't you call her on phone?
Let me try.
I can even go ahead to just say some few sentences. No, it won't take me. Just read the reliefs and go to the
copies.
Mr. Okpale.
Yes, my lord.
Mr. Okpale, since we can't hear her, let me just read the some parts.
The copies.
So this is my judgment. Yes, by an amended complaint on statement of fact dated 9th October 2017 and filed on the 11th October 2017, the claimant seeks the following reliefs against the defendant. Number one, a declaration that the claimants are still staff of the first defendant, their appointment having not been determined. Number two, declaration that the non-payment of the claimant's salaries and allowances for the months of February, March, and April 2015, and for July 2015 to date is illegal, null and void. Number three, an order of the court directing the defendant to calculate the outstanding salaries and allowances of the claimant for the months of February, March, and April 2015 to the tune of 268,000,000 257,000 naira as per paragraphs 17 and 18 of the reliefs. Number 4, an order of the Honorable Court directing the defendant to pay the claimant their salaries and allowances from date to up to the date of judgment and thereafter as and when due, as long as they are in her employment. Number 5, the sum of 67 million naira, being 25% of our outstanding entitlement from the defendant, being the cost of retaining a counsel to prosecute this case and ensure the payment of their entitlements. The case of the claimant, case of the defendant, then your submissions, then my decision. So the last thing I said was that although the first defendant did not call evidence in support of its pleadings, and the second to fifth defendant admitted the stoppage of the claimant's salaries, however, the claimant still bear the burden to establish their claims on declaratory reliefs and special damages, as they cannot rely on the weakness of the defense to prove their case. See the case of Okedare and Adebari. On the whole, and for the reasons given above, the claimants succeed in part. For the avoidance of doubt, I hereby make the following declaration and orders. Number 1, a declaration that the claimants are still staff of the first defendant and their employment is valid and subsisting. Number 2, a declaration that the stoppage of the salaries of the defendants or of the claimants is illegal, null and void. Number 3, 500,000 naira cost is awarded in favor of the claimants against the defendants. Number 4, reliefs number 4, 3, 4, and 5 of the claimants are hereby refused. I will send you the soft and the hard copies next week.
Are the copies?
Yes, thank you.
The copies.
So, Mr.
My Lord, I don't know if you're hearing me. I just came in, my Lord.
Yes, I hope you've heard what I've said.
So I just came at the last something when you are giving the declaration.
Yes.
They say number 1, the work is valid and subsisting.
Yes.
And that number
2, the
two
is illegal, null and void. The other reliefs are refused. Then 500,000 naira cost for the action.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, my Lord.
So, Auruma and Okpale, that will be all for today.
We're grateful.
My Lord, the 500,000 is it against all the defendants?
Jointly and see when you see the judgment, you will see it. My Lord has gone.
Okay. God pleases. Yeah. My Lord, hope my Lord, hope my appearance will appear in the judgment. I was in National Industrial Court. I rushed back here to try. The thing has not been connecting, sir. Hello, my Lord.
Hello, don't finish. Yeah.
Is my Lord gone? My Lord gone?
Me, I don't go.
Your Lord has gone.
Well, we have succeeded.
My Lord has gone.
You want sleeping?
Okay, congratulations.
We still have a long way to go.
Congratulations.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. Oro. Thank you very much.
But I'm congratulating you now.
I'm hearing you now. I'm thanking you.
Okay. That is 500,000. It's something now for you. We'll share with you. It's small.